Good morning from Pensacola Beach. We're doing a little fishing this morning and also some beach cleanup, just looking for any trash that's been left behind from Memorial Weekend. The seaweed is still really bad on the Gulf side, so we're on the Sound side, which may not have as much trash as the Gulf, so we'll definitely go check out the Gulf side before we leave today and see what we can find over there too. So we've only been out here for about 10 minutes and these are the few items we've collected so far. The first two items we found when we got out here was a yellow toy shovel, which we'll rinse off and save, and ironically enough, a Little People toy, and it has a recycling hat on. So I will show you him when we get back because I'm just going to rinse him off and save him. So let's take him over here and rinse him off a little bit. Line blocks off the nesting birds. And if you cross that line and go into their nesting area, they will come after you. So far today we have almost a bag full. Everything from Gatorade bottles and soda tops, obviously rubber bands, lots of cigarette butts, straws, containers that hold bait, toys. So you can always find a lot of stuff on the beach to clean up. More cigarette butts. Find a lot of these. Looks like the heron has found him something to eat. See how close we can get before he takes off. For something to eat. Let's just start keeping count of these. Now we are on the Gulf side. Let's see if we can find some trash over here. They're already out early this morning picking up a lot of the trash and doing some work on the beach. the recent storms we've had has blown in all this seaweed. But across the water, you can see we have a storm coming in. The water is so pretty and blue today. Fishing line. It's a lot of fishing line. This takes us back to our trash bag. Found a fishing lure. Always fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this inspires you to clean up some of the areas in your town, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.